In the chaotic aftermath of World War I, a movement was born in the heart of Zurich, Switzerland. The year was 1916, and the world was reeling from the horrors of war and the loss of innocence. In this tumultuous time, a group of artists, writers, and poets sought refuge in the city, seeking solace from the atrocities they had witnessed. Among these refugees were Hugo Ball, Tristan Tzara, and Marcel Janco, who would become the founding fathers of the Dada movement. They found themselves in a city that was a cultural melting pot, attracting artists and thinkers from all over Europe. It was in the cabaret Vollendams that these visionaries would first gather, seeking to create a new kind of art that would express their feelings of alienation, disillusionment, and disdain for the world around them. The Dada movement was born out of a deep sense of despair and a rejection of traditional artistic norms. They sought to challenge the established order, to question the very foundations of art and society. They believed that the old ways were no longer sufficient in a world that had seen such destruction and chaos. In the early days of Dada, the movement was defined by its lack of definition. There were no rules, no boundaries, no constraints. Anything went, as long as it was a rebellion against the status quo. They created works that were abstract, nonsensical, and jarring, designed to shock and provoke. One of their most famous works was the Dada Manifesto, penned by Tzara, which declared, "Let us destroy the museums and libraries, let us tear down the statues and smash the art institutes." The manifesto was a call to arms for a new generation of artists who were tired of the old ways, who sought to create a new world order, a world that was free from the constraints of tradition. The Dada movement was not just a rejection of the past, but also a call for a new future. They envisioned a world that was free, chaotic, and unpredictable, a world that was a reflection of the chaos and confusion they felt in the aftermath of the war. They believed that art should be a vehicle for change, a means of expressing the collective unconscious, and a way of making sense of a world that seemed to have lost its way. The Dada movement was short-lived, lasting only a decade, but its impact was profound. It was a movement that would influence the course of art history, inspiring a new generation of artists and thinkers who would carry on its legacy. The Dada movement was a testament to the power of art to challenge the status quo, to question the old ways, and to create a new world order. In the end, the Dada movement was a revolution, a rebellion against the past, a call for a new world order, and a testament to the power of art to challenge and to change the world. It was a movement that would leave an indelible mark on the history of art, and a legacy that would inspire generations to come.